Yes. You have no authority under the Road Traffic Act to do such thing. But that is no, this is a public space. I can record anything that's in the public space. Officer, know the law, man. You don't only get on the job, man. Only get to the job. Sure. You don't even know the law, man. You know, I have an encounter with this officer already. I have an encounter with him already, you know. Him and the inspector. I don't know if you remember that encounter.
Your driver's license, yeah,
Bossy. Bossy.
Mr. don't even understand. When I order my requested documents, what's the difference?
You don't understand the difference? A request is you asking me so that you can breach my constitutional rights.
This is a... Yeah, you just get the documents and you go.
Yeah, really. Same case of Hemans versus the Attorney General, as affirmed by the Court of Appeal in 2015, the judge held the reasonable cause to suspect that an individual has or is about to commit a crime must relate to the peculiar characteristics of the person or the vehicle he is driving, or the manner in which it is operated, or to information received. In Jamaica, the citizen is free to move about without an obligation to carry a pass. That is a constitutional guaranteed. So it doesn't matter what the officer want to see, unless the officer has some reasonable suspicion of an offence. The Road Traffic Act, the Firearm Act, the Predial Larceny Act, the Constabulary Forces Act, the Trafficking in Persons Act, the Suppression of Crime Act, the SOE regulations, any act, none of those acts give an officer an authority to stop a vehicle without reasonable suspicion of an offence, unless it is, as the Road Traffic Act provides in Section 58, for the direction of traffic. That's the only time the officer does not need some reasonable suspicion of an offence, but it is a reasonable, justified reason, which is for conducting a traffic direction. Really? You guys continue to breach people's constitutional rights, and I'm not allowing it. So if you give me a lawful order, we comply and we're gone.
And thank you for cooperating with the police. Have a blessed day, man. Yeah, man, thank you for...
Don't worry, you'll get more popular today. Just like Corporal Thomas or Thompson. What's your? So you take this for a joke. You take taking away a citizen's freedom of movement for a joke.
You're ready to talk to the police, sir.
I said, are you ordering or are you asking? It's a simple question.
Don't tell me what to say what you're saying.
No, but it's a difference.
I need to inspect your documents, sir.
And that's an order or a request? Yes. Yes.
To know if your documents are up to date.
And
if I don't get those, sir,
yes.
no, you're not good to go.
I am being detained unlawfully.
Well, if you want to call it unlawful.
You know that this is a over $500,000 lawsuit, don't?
Yeah, man, go ahead.
All right, you just know that.
Yeah.
You can join his ranks, because him stopped me already one time. You have no such authority, officer. Under the Transport Authority Act, you can stop public passenger vehicles for vehicle safety and those document inspections, not any other vehicle. Nonsense. No, you can video me all you want. Know the law. Watch out.
That's what I'm requesting.
You're going on my YouTube channel. You're going on my YouTube channel. You're going to get popular today. You know why? Yeah.
When all the police is requesting,
and you don't have the authority under the law.
If your documents are up to date, sir, nothing wrong.
And I'm saying I have a constitutional. I get what you're saying, you know. But
you're too overeducated, man. Stop like you're brighter than everybody else.
You
what
are.
Saying, sir,
Go ahead.
Sir,
yes?
The police stop you.
Yes.
Come on, man. Be logical about the word.
Yes.
The police stop you, sir.
Yes.
We're requesting your documents,
yes.
your driver's license. We need to see if your fitness,
right.
if your motor vehicle registration, and your insurance is up to date. You see, once all of that is done, you can be on your merry way.
And I'm saying to you,
that's all I want, sir.
And I get you, but what you're doing is you're depriving me of my freedom of movement. So you don't believe I depriving me of freedom of movement?
You can go ahead.
You don't believe you're depriving me of my freedom of movement?
As soon as my request
I don't need you to check. The law says you need reasonable suspicion of a crime or an offense. What you're doing is searching for an offense. They don't have no lawful order. Officer, learn the law, man. Learn the law. Red plate you can stop randomly without reasonable suspicion. Transport Authority Act. Red plate. Not a private vehicle. No section under the Road Traffic Act give you the authority to stop a white plate without reasonable suspicion of an offense. That's the law. So know the law. Jesus, man. It's just sad. That's so much as ignorant. Watch out. Yeah. See that you're not giving me an order. So you're gonna continue detaining me without giving a lawful order. Just look at these goons. See that they are police officers. Okay, so that's an order. Ah, thank you. Now you'll get my documents. Thank you very much. So as now, you have just secured yourself further into the lawsuit. Just sit down there. Pass some documents you give me. No, so they don't know. You guys even know what you're doing, you know. You need to know what you're doing.
Sir, what you're doing is
Miss,
totally unnecessary.
Miss, check, just check it. Just check.
Alright, take them out. Let me have them.
Yeah.
All is well you can be on.
Remember, you ordered me. That's why you're getting them. Nothing, no other reason. No other reason.
Come there, sir. Come
So,
there, sir. Come, let us go. Let us go.
Hold on.
That is it. That's all.
That is all?
we want
That
to
is,
know.
just remember.
Okay, we did it, sir. Yes, and yeah, man. That's all I want to know.
Don't worry. I'm going to the soup first.
You can go ahead, sir. He's there to speak to all of us, you know.
What you doing now? Searching for a crime? Do you think you can ticket me for something that you didn't suspect me for committing before you stop me? You could give me the ticket all you want.
Sir,
Here you
sir,
go.
come
Here you
on,
go.
Sir. We don't have the time.
Let's come out to the road. Let's come out to the road.
Come.
Let's come out to the road.
Come on, we don't have the time for the foolishness, sir. This
Foolishness.
unnecessary.
Foolishness.
Come on, unnecessary.
This is a breach of my constitutional rights. You don't respect the Constitution? You want
Your behavior
yeah.
is unnecessary. Sir.
And your behavior of randomly stopping my vehicle without reasonable suspicion is unlawful, illegal.
Sir, you having a bad day, sir?
No, I'm not having a bad
You
day.
must be having a bad day, man. Something happened to you today?
You know what? Sure. You want a license now?
happened to
You want a
today,
license
sir?
now?
Yeah, man, let me have the license.
Just remember, he
What
must
is wrong
versus
with
the
you
Attorney
today,
General.
sir?
And what is wrong with me?
Are you okay?
Am I okay?
Sometimes you're having a bad day when you come on the road now, so you take it out on the police. You don't
Really?
take it out on us.
Really? Just remember,
Right.
you don't have, this is not a lawful reason to stop me.
Come, sir.
Here you go.
Come, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Dunn.
Yeah.
All right, Mr. Dunn. So, your documents and stuff up to this.
I know
Thank you
this.
very
You don't
much.
think I know this?
No, you know, but
I
we
don't
know.
need you to tell me that.
Are you gonna allow me to
You-
speak?
yeah, go on.
Talking and talking and talking.
Because this is bull. This is bull. It's pure
Are
bull.
you okay, sir?
Yes, I'm okay.
Are you okay?
I am
sir?
not okay with
Sure you're
this
okay,
being a
sir?
police state.
Are you gonna
I
allow
am
me to
not
speak?
okay with you stopping me without
allow me to
reasonable,
speak, sir?
articulable suspicion or reasonable,
Allow
probable
me to speak.
cause.
Alright, when you're ready. When
Go
you're
on now. Continue. Yeah, man. Continue.
ready. When you're ready.
Continue. Continue. Remember you saw my documents, so you can give me them back now. Come, thanks.
You need to know. You need to listen, man. You need to listen. For a man, you need to listen.
Come.
For a man, you need to listen.
This
sir.
encounter is finished. Have a
You
good
need
day.
to listen.
Yes, go
When
ahead.
the police stop you.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
None of us are here.
Yes.
We're not here to offend anybody.
Yes.
They stop you, and I was very respectful to
But do
you.
you respect my freedom of movement?
Listen, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Listen. You
All right,
don't
go.
listen. For a man,
All right,
you don't
go
listen.
ahead.
You
Go
don't
ahead.
listen well.
Go ahead.
What I'm saying, we stop
Yes.
you. We are talking to you.
Yes.
Request the documents. It's as
Yes.
simple. Officer, my documents are up to this. However, just showing up, it's just a matter of showing, you know, so you don't need to behave, sir.
I understand.
Your behavior is totally unnecessary.
I understand what you're
Sir?
saying. I understand what you're saying.
Sir?
Yes.
And I have remained respectful with you.
Uh-huh.
You don't need to behave, sir.
All right, so fine. Can I say something now? Can I say something now?
Your documents are up to date. Thank you very much. And
No.
God bless you, sir.
Officer, take
Sir,
the
I would
time
have listened
to
to you.
review the Road Traffic
nice
Act.
day, sir.
Read Hemans
Have
versus
a
the
nice
Attorney
day,
General.
sir.
Remember that.
Have a nice day.
Hemans versus the Attorney General.
Have a nice
The Road Traffic Act gives the police
Have
no
a nice
right
day. The
to
Lord bless you.
randomly stop
Enjoy your
a
holidays.
vehicle without reasonable, articulable suspicion of an offense.
Have a blessed
That is
day,
what the
sir.
police is there for.
Happy holidays,
Not
sir.
fishing expeditions.
Have a best day. Happy holidays.
Remember that this one is a
All the
lawsuit.
best for the new season.
Another one.
All the
They're
best
just
for the new
piling up.
season, sir.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Don't audit the law. Peace.